Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Dose. My name is Vishal and in today's video I will show you 5 Google Sheet tricks which you can use in your daily office work to improve your productivity. So let's get started with the video. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to our channel. So now let's move to our first Google Sheet tips. So let's say I have some raw data like this where you can see there is some additional space is added as well as we have some duplicate entries also present. Now let's say I want to clean this particular data. What we need to do is we have to simply click on data, then click on data cleanup, and then we have to click on cleanup suggestion. The moment I click on cleanup suggestion, you will see this particular window will come up in the right hand side. Now here you can see it's showing me the cleanup suggestion. First one is remove duplicate. Here we have a two option. Either we can remove all the duplicate suggestion one by one, or we can remove all the duplicate in the one go. Let's say I want to remove all the duplicates in the one go. What I need to do is I have to simply click on this checkbox and you can see all the duplicate values have been removed. Similarly, if you can see here, it's showing me the second suggestion as trim white space. Here also I can accept all the suggestion and I click on this particular window. Now you can see it has automatically removed all the white space as well as the duplicate values from the Google Sheet. So now let's move to the second Google Sheet tips. So let's say I want to see all the changes which are made for this particular cell. What I have to do is I have to simply right click on this one and then we have to click on show edit history. The moment I click on show edit history, you will see this particular pop-up will come. It will show you who has made the changes in this particular cell. Here you can see earlier it was mentioned as May and then it was changed to June. And if you want to see the previous edit history, you have to simply click on this arrow button and you can see it will show me all the history which is made in this particular cell. So let's say I want to see all the history made in this particular tab. What I have to do is I have to simply click on this history button and then here you can see all the version history for this particular tab. And if we expand this detailed version, you will see all the timestamp as well as the history made in this particular tab. Now let's say I want to restore this version. What I have to do is first we have to select that particular version and then click on restore this version and it will restore to that particular version. So now let's move to the third Google Sheet tips. Let's say you want to ask a question to your team why the sales is down for the month of April. What you can do is simply right click on this one and then click on comment and you can tag the person with their email address. For that what we need to do is simply type @ and then you can select their email address and then you can ask why sales is down and you can assign the same command to that particular person. So now let's move to the fourth Google Sheet tricks where we can use the AI to create a dummy table. So let's say I want to create here the dummy table which are having a header like employee name, sales number as well as the month. For that we can use the AI. To use the AI what we need to do is we have to simply click here which is ask Gemini and then we can say here create a table with header as employee name, month and sales. And now here we can say add some dummy data also. The moment I click on the enter button, you can see it has created a one table which are having a dummy data. So now let's say I want to insert this particular data. What we need to do is we have to simply click on insert table and then you can see all the data has been pasted in this particular tab. So now let's move to our fifth Google Sheet tricks. So let's say I have one Google Sheet where we have all the stocks data. Now let's say I want to import all this data to this particular sheet. What we need to do is we have to simply type here import range. First here we have to mention the quotation mark. Then we have to mention here spreadsheet URL. We can simply copy this URL and we have to paste it here. Then quotation mark again, comma. Now here we have to mention the tab name. So now our tab name is summary. We can simply type here summary and then we have to select the range. Our range is A1 to M1000. Even we can select the blank rows also and then close the quotation mark, close the bracket and simply press the enter button. The moment I click on enter button, you can see all the data from this particular sheet has been imported to our sheet. So these are some Google Sheet tricks and tips which you can use in your office to improve your productivity. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to Excel Dose. Thank you so much for watching.